How to calculate cumulative sum, also known as a running total in Excel. Please leave a like and subscribe to help me get to 100,000 subscribers. So I have some digits here and we're going to begin by typing in the sum function for the first number. So next, adjacent to the first digit, we're going to type equals sum, open bracket, click on the number, colon, click on the number again, close bracket. So we now have our sum function. But when we drag this down, you will find that it only adds up the number adjacent to it. So to fix this is a simple fix. All we have to do is freeze the first number in place. And you can do this by heading over to the sum here and then typing in dollar before the B and dollar before the 3. What does this do? It freezes it in place so that when we move down the function, it will remember to start from the beginning. So every time we drag it down, it will add up all of the numbers before as well as the one adjacent. And that gives us a cumulative sum, also known as a running total in Excel. So yes, that is how you do it, and go ahead and make your graphs and cool analytical thingamabobs.